Good evening from New York Realm. We have some big trouble in South Richmond Hill. We have one fire engine and a lot of cops, and they're blocking the street right here on 109. And this is what it looks like.
Is there anything over there?
Yep. And there's broken glass here. Something must have exploded. Oh, there it is. Whoop, gotta go. Let's get away from here. That's the one right there. Holy shit, that car's gonna blow.
Hey, we gotta get into that hydrant over there. Yeah,
that car's gonna blow. You hear that noise? Hear that? Wow.
Did you check the hydrant over there?
So you got 4 blocks closed here. Holy crap, there it goes. There it goes. Something, there's bullets in there. Let's clear it away. Is this cop coming this way? Yes, he is. Let's stand over here. Wow. Not a good start for the new farmers market here, Rajshaw's. Now the lights went off. That's weird.
Nobody has seen any of the car.
That is very weird. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Yes. I wonder if that's an electric car. Is that a hybrid or something? Wow. Listen to that thing.
Might want to make it somewhere
Gotta make. For once, they're allowed to make one of those K-turns. What? New bad days are here again. 27 days in the Mayor Mandani era. Queens is burning again. That is weird. Yeah, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. I can't even, well, we can tell what car this is from here. It does have New York plates. That's where it's blowing up. This is gonna blow. This is gonna blow, and I'm gonna move back a little further. And now we got some looky-loos, everyone. What is that? I wonder if they turn the gas off. Then there goes the smoke. I wonder if they turn the gas off on this block. Yeah. That's not good car flatulence there. I wonder if that's an electric. I wonder if that's a hybrid. Really, I wonder if this is a hybrid, because I never seen a car fucking implode like this and make all that noise. I don't know. It's the 101st Avenue is closed from 109 to, I believe, 111. Man, that's scary. The fire engine is going to block it. Notice how cautious the FDNY is. The FDNY engine's going over there, being very, very cautious. This makes me think that's an electric vehicle, because you don't know how they're going to blow up. You don't know where the flames are going to shoot out. That is one shitty car. And the cops are taking photos now. More for FDNY are coming.
near the store.
How many get there?
You know, I can see it's totally black inside that vehicle. You can see it from here. You can see it from here. Oh, geez, look at that. Look at that. It's a smokestack. It's a clinker. It's a clinker. This reminds me of the boiler from A Christmas Story. Oh, shit. Wow. Cops gonna block the sidewalks now. Oh no, maybe not. Yeah, they're just gonna block the street. Got two NYPD vehicles blocking the street. This is the most wicked thing I ever seen. I hope everybody in that bar evacuated. That bar across the street. And the fire engine's the block is on the next block. You don't want to go near this. Wow. I really wanted this electric vehicle because you know, if that was a gas vehicle, I think it would have blew up already. I think it would have blew up. It's like everybody's waiting to watch it blow up, meaning the FDNY and the NYPD. Jeez, oh man. You know, if this vehicle is hybrid, this already brings to mind battery storage and charge facility on Linden Boulevard in Lefferts, and what they're gonna store and what they're gonna store there, like the e-vehicle batteries. This is it's like a cheap microwave oven. Who is that? There's an electric vehicle right now. There's another electric vehicle. That's a moped, an actual moped. Still can't trust those batteries. That's an electric vehicle. That's a battery doing that. That's lithium-ion batteries doing that right there. There's a weird smell in the air. There's a weird chemical smell in the air now. Maybe it's time to go because this doesn't smell right.
A lithium battery. Right in front of the Rite Aid.
Formerly Rite Aid. I wonder who's the poor owner of this vehicle, thinking that, oh, I'm gonna save money on gasoline. I'm doing good things for the environment too. And then this thing implodes on you. You can't cross there. Oh boy, they're gonna tell them to turn around, unless they live here. And all it's doing is just belching a lot of smoke, and it's not even blowing up. Can you imagine if that was in somebody's garage though, or parked in their driveway? That house would be gone, and so would the houses next to it. Good thing it's not windy tonight, because I think this stent, whatever chemicals are coming out of there, it'd be wafting over here. It's just lingering over there, but you can smell it though. You can smell this shit. Not a good smell. And can you imagine if it was a bigger lithium-ion fire, like say at a Best Station? And you can understand why people would be concerned of having one near them because of the city of yes. That's kind of like what's going on in St. Albans right now. A lot of elected officials are suddenly back in the community, demanding for that place to fucking go. Jesus Christ. Miticize it. I don't know if people are gonna get that reference except ones who know about Crazy Eddie. Actually, the youth of today do know about Crazy Eddie. And there goes some more smoke. It's like a lithium-ion witch's brew. Do not go over there. It's all NYPD over there. All NYPD and FDNY. You know, it's interesting. There were more NYPD before, and I think they're gone. There's only one FDNY. There's only one fire truck here, though. One fire engine here. And the NYPD has their lights for fucking driving commuters to go the other way. Pretty sure this would suffice, this smoldering vehicle. Waiting for the explosion. Oh, you know what else is there? There's a food truck there too. Oh man, that looks like it's been there for freaking like 3 weeks too. And I can see why they decide to do business there, because the market's there. The halal market's there. Halal truck, halal market. Is that it? Is that it? Somebody just came from shopping there. I had no idea that place was open. No, I don't think that place is open yet. It'd be, because that would be packed. This is so wicked. Waiting for the oops, somebody got whoops. Uh-oh, now you're fucked. Should have dug out of that. And here the snow, here are the snow walls, the snow banks. I'm pretty sure whatever's over there melted. These are what some idiots are calling a snack down. They're calling these snack downs, and I'm the one saying, I'm just going to say that the DOT is letting this exist just as an experiment to reimagine the streets and make driving harder in this neighborhood. Wow, look at that. Tell you something, this is another thing. You gotta wonder how these lithium-ion batteries gonna deal in cold temperatures like this, especially like 3-4 days in a row, or 7, or 8, 9. It's not doing anything. This is not going to explode because it would have done it already. Makes me wonder, one of these e-vehicles, won't they have like a self-extinguisher like thing, you know? Like a thing that makes it, because this should be in flames. Any other car, this would be in flames, and some windows would be blown out. And in fact, I just took some footage of a window, of what looked like a window that was blown out. All right. I think it's done. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. What a piece of shit. What a piece of shit car. I'm running out of video here. Yeah, that's the thing. It's definitely electric car because the FDNY, they didn't decide to like extinguish whatever's burning in there, whatever's in flames. They just decided to let it burn. They're letting it burn. They're letting it burn out. And you know what? This makes me even more worried about these vehicles than diesel, like gas vehicles. Because you never know. You never know. And there have been plenty of Teslas that blew up too. Well.
Hey, guys.
Well, I think I'm gonna head home. It's too cold. Oh, there goes more smoke. There goes more. Let's wait for one more little implosion, then we'll cut out. There we go. Oh, just put it out of its misery. Apparently, I know what I think is happening here. I think they're waiting for every lithium-ion battery cell to ignite and explode so they can put it out with water. All right, I'm gonna go home. It's too cold. It's actually getting a little boring. This is New York Realm, Imperial City, now more than ever. And remember, lithium-ion batteries is not a good substitution for gas. So keep your regular car. Hey, good morning from New York Realm. I'm in South Richmond Hill, and I'm back back in the area where there was a fire, a vehicle fire here last night, and yeah, I surmised that it was an electric car that was imploding, but apparently there's a lot more than that, judging by these traffic safety cones. Now let's go across the street where the car was. The car was parked, and guess what? It looks like, yeah, you know what it is? It looks like something happened in the manhole there. I think there was a malfunction down there, and it caused an explosion. Because that shit usually happens in inclement and inclement dangerous temperatures like we're having this week. And today it's barely above 10 degrees, and and it's going to go into single digits later. Tomorrow's gonna be worse. We may go below zero soon, but that's the reason for the fire. That's why I'm going to talk about this, because it's really cold and people want to double park here. So let's get the hell out of here. This is New York Realm, Imperial City, now more than ever. You have to wait. You have to wait, man. And you all got to slow down. See, this is what I can't stand. This guy's obviously going to double park here or park in that lot, and idiot drivers still need the speed. I know, the road, that's the thing. The roads are clear now, so people think, oh, we could speed again, drive like assholes.